Hello everybody, it's me Tian here. I hope everybody's doing great. Now, let's talk about rugby. As you can see from the jersey that I'm wearing, I'm gonna talk about the Bulls versus Ospreys game that happened yesterday. Um, the Bulls have beaten the Ospreys 53-40. Um, yeah, um, Devin Williams got a yellow card for deliberate knock on. Um, and the Bulls obviously scoring 9 tries during that full 80 minutes. Marcel Coetzee scored 2 tries. Johan Grobbelaar scored a hat trick. Chestwell Uester actually scored a double, 2 tries. Jan Serfontein also scored a try, and Juan Alse, the reserve hooker, also scored a try. Um, Keegan Giannis went kicked to poles for 8 of the 9 tries and only converted 4 out of the 8 tries, which gives him a 50% kicking success rate so far. And David Krill kicked balls for the last try and missed that kick, which gives him a 0% kicking success rate so far. And the problem is um, Keegan Ioannis isn't a recognized um, goal kicker. Obviously, he kicked to goals sometimes when players like Johan Goosen or Boeta Chamberlain or Jacob van der Walt weren't available. But um, you can't, um, having such a low kicking success rate in the game is unacceptable in my opinion. Yeah, you can't have that. But luckily the Bulls won. Um, uh, now, um, obviously, Kobus Visser, who started at lock, uh, was replaced by Nicholas Janssen van Rensburg in the 21st minute for, I think it was for an HIA test, and he unfortunately didn't pass that HIA test. Um, he he got tackled. He got that concussion in a tackle, and um, they actually went back. The refs went back to look at the game, look at the tackle, and the team kept playing this particular clip that they made the decision on, and it was apparently their best angle, and they didn't. It was apparently not our tackle. It was the ref's decision. Yeah. I don't know. Um, from the angles that they showed, it um, from the angles that the team has showed, it looked like shoulder on shoulder. But I mean, I don't understand how a guy, a big lock, um, got an HRA in a tackle if it wasn't a hard tackle. But um, obviously, the ref made his decision, and his decision is final. Yeah, and there's nothing you can do about it now. Um, and during the game, there were 2 tackles on the Bulls players that might have been called late or was a late tackles, but and some refs might have said both of those tackles were late, but this ref didn't said the timing was perfect. They were committed and there was nothing wrong with those tackles. Some people may not agree with that decisions. They would have said no, it's late tackles, but yeah, there's nothing you can do about it. The ref's decision is final, and yeah, that's it. You can't do anything about it now. Yeah. Um, Please let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Um, Johan Grobler, the hooker, was actually man of the match, and I think he rightly deserves so because he scored a hat trick. Yeah. So, who do you guys think should was man of the match in your opinion? Was it Johan Grobler or should have it been to someone else? Um, yeah. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and I hope everybody has a great day further. This is me, Tian, signing out.